In this video series, I work through a math problem or problems each video. Oftentimes, when we apply the addition method to two linear equations, we don't end up with an equation that has only one variable. In these cases, we multiply one or both of the original equations through by a non-zero constant before adding equations together. Let's take a look at an example. Solve a system of equations for x and y using the addition method with multiplication. The two equations are 2x plus 5y is equal to 9 and 4x minus 3y is equal to 5. If we add the two equations together right now, we end up with 6x and minus 8y. So we don't end up with just one variable. So we need to multiply one or both of the equations so that the coefficients for one of the variables are additive inverses of each other. We could choose either x or y, but since 4 is a multiple of 2, let's try to match up the coefficients for the x's. Let's multiply through the first equation by minus 2. We're going to use the distribute property to distribute the minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied by 2x is minus 4x. Minus 2 multiplied by 5y is minus 10y. Is equal to 9 times minus 2 is minus 18. And then we copy the second equation. Now we can add the two equations together. Minus 4x plus 4x is 0. Minus 10y minus 3y is minus 13y. And minus 18 plus 5 is minus 13. To get y by itself, we want to multiply both sides of the equation by minus 1 over 13. Then minus 1 over 13 multiplied by minus 13 is equal to 1. So we end up with just y on the left-hand side of the equation. And once again, minus 13 multiplied by minus 1 over 13 is equal to 1. So we found that y is equal to 1. In order to solve for x, we take this value for y, 1, and plug it into one of the two equations. We could choose either, but let's use the second equation for this problem. We get 4x minus 3 times 1 is equal to 5. 3 times 1 is equal to 3, so then we add 3 to both sides of the equation. So 4x is equal to 8. Then to get x by itself, let's multiply both sides of the equation by 1/4. 1/4 multiplied by 4 is 1, and 1 times x is x. And 8 multiplied by 1/4 is 2. So the solution to this system of equations is x equals 2 and y equals 1.